Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the language on your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down to and tap on General Management. In the General Management settings, tap on Language at the top. Tap Add Language and choose the language you would like to change to. Now choose your desired region of the language. You will now see a pop-up asking if you want to set this language as your default. Tap Set as Default. Your language will be changed. You can switch back to the other language by tapping on it and then tapping Apply. You can add as many languages as you like and switch between them. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.